attention. Your love, baby bear. It's coming through so much on me, baby bear. Gingy. She's your peach. You're so precious, Mr. Bear. Your babies. Your family. I love you. Sorry. All the hell we've been through. So I want to apologize. She'll be okay, okay? Love you. Precious bears. I won't be able to live without you. We've gotten this far. Some people have no idea how far we've come. What kind of fucking hell we've been through. What do you mean to me? You're more than here. So we helped. Now we helped each other through. I love you so much. It's gonna be okay, buddy. I love you. You my little baby bears. Ever since you were teeny, to hold you in my hand. Know that you always understand. It's okay. God, Dad has greater plans. Don't let anybody hurt us. Take anything away. You made me want to be able to get back up. And turn right back to love. On the other side. Wasn't here the feeling. Being the meaning too. No sight or hurt or fate. Whether in a dream state or wake state, whichever state, however late, however irate, not succumb to anyone's evil fate. Within our hearts, unread what's true. Remember that what's true will never